This is the grave of Bill Conrad Jr., the assistant DA who was busted by Chris Hansen.
56-year-old Louis William Conrad Jr. is a prosecutor in a neighboring county. He's been chatting on the phone with an actor hired by Dateline and online with a decoy from Perverted Justice.
Bill never came to the house and an arrest warrant was issued.
Conrad never shows up. Still, in the eyes of the law, it makes no difference. In Texas, he's already committed a crime.
When the police show up to arrest him, he decided he wouldn't go to jail.
It was a devastating tragedy, a shock to all of us when the 56-year-old, a man who has prosecuted criminals for more than 2 decades, shot himself.
He was airlifted to Dallas, where he later passed.
You could pretty much clearly assume that he didn't want to face the music on that and chose to take his own life.
He is buried at Oakland Memorial Cemetery in Terrell, Texas.